Hi, I'm Debbie from Simply Special Crafts. Today we're going to take a look at the Hunkydory Crafts The Snow is Falling Luxury Collection. Now we're going to do something a little bit different in today's video. Today we're going to take a look, we'll do this intro once with the kit, and then we're going to break this video into 10 pieces today so that you can look at each card kit individually. We've had some requests to make our videos a little bit shorter, so we thought we'd give this a try and see how it goes. If you haven't already done so, please be sure to hit that subscribe button for YouTube. And if you want to be notified of when new videos are available, hit the little bell icon to subscribe to notifications. Let's go ahead and take a look. Okay, our next video is regarding The Snow is Falling from Hunkydory. This is Pawprints in the Snow. It's kit number Snowy18-905, and it features this adorable puppy and kitten with a bicycle in the snow. Let's take a look at the components of that kit. We have 4 wonderful toppers, as well as a couple, 4 different greetings, and another border strip down here on the bottom that's got greetings. So really nice use of our paper here. There's not a 1/4 of an inch of wasted space on this one. This beautiful border. I love this kitten all crouched down on one side of the wheel and the puppy on the other. That kitten's being really brave from behind that wheel. But what a beautiful background piece. And then we've got this really pretty, striking, snowy background with the green accents. Beautiful. Let's see what we did with those. We'll start with this one. You knew we were going to do this because it's just too pretty to not use the majority of that piece. So we used a 4x8 card. You can see that I trimmed it a little bit on the top, a little bit on the bottom to make it fit a 4x8 card. I've covered my 4x8 card before I put my topper down with some Rainbow Mary, and I've cut my topper to be about a 1/4 of an inch smaller than the Mary covered card background so that you can see that Mary all the way around that. It only takes a little bit of that to just really make your card pop. I've added some tasteful glitter accents around their feet, up into the bushes, up into the trees. I've added a couple of snowflakes and one of those Merry Christmas sentiments. This happens to be from Elizabeth Craft. It'll be on your supplies list. Here's 3 of our beautiful snowflakes that are cut out of that Rainbow Mary, and I've added a center to this one off my Jewel Dazzle sheet. Now before I attached my cardstock to my Mary background, I tied a bow and I wrapped that bow around the 2 edges of my mirror board, and then I secured it from the back so I don't have any edges showing anywhere, and all of my work is hid under between the topper and the background. But didn't that turn out pretty? Well, love it. Love lavender. Okay, next up, let's take a look at another of our larger cards. This one comes from here, and I've taken a piece of that background from here. I've covered a 5x7 card. I have broken that frame into a couple of pieces. It's scored right here, or die cut right here, so I popped my center section up and put that on some foam tape. I added some tasteful glitter accents to that, once again around their feet, up into the bushes, some of these background vines. And then I die cut some cedar sprigs using that Dee's Distinctive cedar die that's on our supplies list. And I put my best wishes for a special friend, Festive Wishes for a special friend up on some foam squares. I have those little sprigs coming out from under that topper, tied a nice little organza bow. If you want to know how to tie those bows, see our video on using the Embellishment Addict bow maker, and we have this wonderful organza ribbon in the store. Lined it with a pretty matching insert. Done. So cute. Here's another. We're using a smaller topper this time. And I didn't do a lot to this card. This is a 4x6 card. I actually trimmed it just a little bit because I liked it better, a little bit shorter. And my sentiment is actually on my border. It says love, sent with love, sent with love, sent with love, sent with love, on a repeating pattern on the side. I covered my background with a piece of cardstock from here. It actually might have been from here. I think it was actually off of here because it's very solid. And I put some foam squares in behind here, tied myself a pretty bow, put on some tasteful glitter accents. It just didn't need any more than that. It was cute. Okay, next up, another of our small toppers. Same basic pattern here. I used a piece of my background from here. Covered, this actually, no, I think this is the European A6 also, 4x6 card. And it did basically the same thing. I have my glittered topper, I have foam squares behind here. I put some sprigs out from underneath my Merry Christmas greeting, added a nice bow at the bottom. Remember that I use my best glue ever to attach my bows. We'll make sure that we get that on the supplies list. Matching insert paper, cute as it comes. And finally, we have this cute, cute little card here where the dog is looking at the spilled packages. Puppies, we know the puppy probably had something to do with those spilled packages. Used my corner of my cardstock here. This is a 4x6 card. I split my frame. I glued my outside frame flush to my card. I put my inside topper up on some foam squares, tasteful glitter, bow across the corner. It just didn't need any more than that. It was cute just like that. A great use of that card kit. We got 5 wonderful cards from this one topper set. That concludes video 5. Please join us for video 6. Once again, this is Debbie from Simply Special Crafts. I hope you're enjoying the Snow is Falling collection from Hunkydory Crafts. If you'd like to get links to all of the products used in our video, we've put a newsletter link right on the YouTube page. Just click on that link and subscribe to our newsletter.